Want to update your NVIDIA's password? Here's how to change your password. First, open the browser and log into your account. You will be taken to your home page. Scroll down a little and at the bottom of the page you will see security settings. Tap on it. Then tap on change password. Now enter your current password, and once you do it, enter the new password and re-enter your new password to confirm. Then tap save to update your password, and once you tap save, your password will be updated. For security, NVIDIA may ask you to verify your identity via email or two-factor authentication. If the new password does not work, make sure it meets NVIDIA's password rules. How often do you update your passwords? Tell us below. And that's it. Your NVIDIA password is now updated. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.